What are you doing? Are you fighting yourself? Don't you? He's punching the mirror, fighting himself. What are you doing? Oh. Come here. Liam, come here.
Mama.
That's Daddy's.
You can show him my tie pants.
I thought you were going to keep dancing like you were. Oh my gosh, okay. That's it. You're done.
Those are my tie pants, by the way, that my wonderful wife made.
Who's in the mirror? Who is that? Who is that?
Ragdoll time.
Oh my gosh, this is hilarious.
Ready?
Okay, let him go, let him go. Whoa!
Yo.
Come here, Liam. He's not as drunk as he was in the living room. Liam! Be careful, you're gonna hurt yourself. Why are you fighting your image? He can barely run.
Can you make it? Get up here. Get up here.
He's gonna quickly swipe your phone and run. Watch. Or not. Kissy bye-bye. Blow kisses. Blow kisses. Oh, you want to give a kiss. Okay, give it a kiss.